Okay, what I want to do today is talk about my new hot lather machine made by Moose. This machine is fantastic. I have been wanting a real close shave. The smell of this little pod you put in here is fantastic. So what you do, you put your little pod in there, put your cover on, then press the button twice. And it's going to whip up into a hot lather. I'm getting a lot closer shave now. My skin feels better. This is the best thing I've seen since sliced bread. And I've had those other hot lather machines, and they don't even come close to this new machine. This is made by Moose. I got the pods. These are the sensitive pods. I've also got the moisturizing pod, and then there's some other pods I have that's something else. Classic, I think. This is very cost effective also. You get 12 pods in here. So in just a minute, it's going to be made. You have your water reservoir here, so every so often you fill it up with water. It doesn't use much water. But in just a minute, we're going to have a hot, steamy lather. Ta-da! Now it's ready. Look at there. Nice whipped up lather. I'm going to put it on my face and get a close shave.